Next, I'd like to briefly go over pick lists. Pick lists are located here under Setup, and they control the various drop-downs you have throughout ServiceMonster. For example, on the Quick Add, we have a drop-down right here for the customer type. Anytime you see this plus icon, that's where you can add options to that pick list. But over time, you might want to modify this. You might want to delete old options. So let's show you how to control your drop-downs. Just click on Pick Lists, and at the top, here's where you can choose your available drop-downs in ServiceMonster. Here is account types, the one we were just looking at on the Quick Add. If I want to add my own option, I can go ahead and type that in here, and then click on the plus to add it to the drop-down. If I want to remove an old option, I can just click on the X to delete it, and it's automatically saved. And that's how all of your drop-downs work in ServiceMonster. So if you do need to modify anything, by all means, take a look through the drop-down here and see what you have available. If you need any assistance, of course, give us a call.